These are my audience. Hi everyone, I'm Jananchan, and today I'll be going over about the discovery of lunar water. So have you ever thought about like going off and beyond into space? So there's actually 99.99% of that's like what's unknown to us that's not on Earth. So since all of us like are living creature here on Earth, and we're unfamiliar with like outside Earth and like what's in space, so the discovery of the lunar water helps benefit us like as a resource to help us to understand what's outside in the outer space and help us to be able to get to there. And so throughout the researching and from the history of lunar water and how it benefits us, and this helps us move a step closer to go up and beyond into outer space. So let's begin on like to understand what lunar water actually is. So first, so the lunar water is actually water that's actually found on the moon, and the first trace of the discovery of the lunar water is actually found in 2008. The researcher examined the glass bread that's found on the Apollo samples that's been collected through outer space. And so actually the formation of how the lunar water is being formed is actually, the researchers say it's actually being formed throughout because of the solar wind. And so let's start with how it will benefit us, with how the lunar water will benefit us as like a human, and to understand what's like outside outside the Earth. So the benefit of lunar water. So let's first understand like we are limited with our resources to go up and beyond into space. So there's not like a lot we can do to actually like get farther ahead, like say to like up beyond over across like to Mars or somewhere. We just don't have enough resource to do that. So with lunar water, we are able to, if we are able to have develop a technology to able to extract the water from the water that's found on the moon, and we'll be able to bring less supply from Earth and be able to somehow use the resource that's on the moon to help us to move farther ahead. So this also help develop a better idea of understanding what's outside outside in the space. So we could actually form a new station to help us like to understand what's outside. Form a station like say on moon, and we'll be, since we have the supply of water on the moon, we'll be able to use it to find out what's the other unknowns to us, the 99.99%. So the advantage of using the advantage of understanding the lunar water and how to use it. So this discovery will help us to be able to understand what's going to be outside of the Earth, and help us to be able to develop the new source and the supply to go above and beyond. So this amazing discovery has helped us to move a step closer to understanding what's outside of the Earth, and help us to be able to go farther ahead.